Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can send feedback in YouTube. If you face any trouble in your channel, then you can send feedback and ask them to solve your problem. So how can you send your feedback in YouTube? I am going to show you. First open your YouTube channel. Then click on YouTube Studio. In the below in the left side, you can see the send feedback option. So it's tell me to describe my problem, what problem you face in YouTube. We need to write this. Then you can capture a screenshot. Where is your problem? So if I click on screenshot and then click on allow, this take a screenshot of my whole page. Then you need to click we may email you for more information or update. Then click on this, and last you need to select this to YouTube. If I click on send, my feedback will be sent to YouTube. So in this way you can send report in YouTube. So guys, I hope you understand this video, how you can send report and feedback in YouTube. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel.